we they evolve as a society, and you find out say presently in the time when me and you they live now, everybody they work, everybody they go school now, everybody they aspire for better education, better qualification, better pay, all hands on deck. So we no longer day in the time of the 60s, the 50s, the 40s, the 70s, the 80s even. So society they evolve now. So you find a situation where some men go tell you, say, I know if you marry somebody we no go work, we no go feel support too. But before now, women also, if you go fit say you no go fit marry a man where they poor or a man where no they work. So why you think say you as a woman where no they work, a man go they happy to marry you? But I feels like say if I be a man and I'm happy that a woman where no they work now I want marry, or a woman where go just sit down one place now I want marry, then I need to check myself. I'm talking for myself. I need to check myself. There's something really wrong with me, I think. Because if a woman go sit down and say I choose, if you not get money, no go buy. Some of them go even say if you not get car, no go follow you. And I'm wondering, and I say, so you should be able to afford what you desire, right? You like car. As I did like this now, range, you can't dey hungry me now. I not go work for my range. And so you find out say insults go begin to enter. You go say, okay, your papa don't even get wheelbarrow. You want come find person where you get. Why you think say most men they fear women where they successful? I want to start from the phone line 0700 951 951 951. What do you think? Share your conversation. Share this platform with me, and also if you send me messages on WhatsApp 080 959755808. You know, I mean they read. I try to read reports from Africa, from Europe, from America. Also try to read reports down home, to understand actually what thing they happen, why this thing be as he be. Now, most people are beginning to understand the matter where they say, no, but I get two hands, I get two legs, so why I no go fit fend for myself? And so some people, they also see from the angle of say, oh, those people where they used to having, don't weaponize that thing where they get. So now, let me get that thing for myself, so they no go fit use them again against me. I've been post something on my social media yesterday. That one they caused a different kind of conversation. Waiting be your problem now. Once you show inside this building now. Oh yeah, thank you for that. So what do you think? And you as a man, if your partner they successful, or maybe she they earn more than you, or maybe her job they give her more pay, but you and her no dey the same job, you dey feel less manly. I go like get you in that conversation. You dey feel less of a man. Say your partner they earn more than you. It go make you feel like say you are not, but you know the competition with your partner. Are you? Lagos boyfriend, what do you think? I thought you say your work is on another. You came for, but you were captured. If your partner they earn, and they ask say, why some men they fear successful women? That's aside. Now, if your partner they earn more than you, let's assume that you have a girlfriend as a Lagos boyfriend, and your girlfriend they earn more than you, it they make you feel less of a man.
Cheche, first of all, this feeling or emotion, you understand, they stem from insecurity. You understand? You know, say society don't precondition we as men, you understand, to believe
say, provider. Yeah, use that word.
We be natural provider.
So provider.
Natural.
No, use the word so. Because when I think that on a battery, they create a creator.
You understand?
Yeah. So when anybody else try to provide, when I see them like as an attack.
So we don't say we see them as an attack.
Yes.
We feel inadequate. You understand? We don't feel like, so why I be man?
So how about if I they provide? Will you still feel like that?
See, and the thing that it depends on the communication where they exist between
the balance, right?
Yeah, where they exist between the two of them. Because of it gets some women, even today, this morning, I guess a small,
even this afternoon,
some small experience for us. Me and my dad, so he get waiting in supposed pay for him.
Yes.
As I pay for the thing, for
you
my
know,
body, my body, I feel strange.
Yeah.
I could dey try to understand their emotion. E could dey be like pepper body. But I could dey ask myself, why I dey feel this man don dey pay for all these things
for years.
He no fit one pepper body. Me just one time wan pay for am.
Yes.
He do me pepper body.
So you feel like say some people, some partners, they feel like that when somebody do wetin they feel say na them supposed to.
Because of you feel inadequate. And if the woman know in a way, you understand?
Yes.
Pet am. You understand? Not to make her get that feeling, and the woman they rub am.
But why I need to? Okay, the woman they rub am for your.
Adding salt to injury.
Wow.
You understand?
Wow.
So now just that conditioning wey say man don't get for society say we supposed be the natural soul provider.
But you know, see, I'm like, so I need to free your mind.
We supposed to free.
And the next minute, it go hot.
Hope say you don't join our Facebook Chook Mouth family.
Us on top Facebook page at Wazobia FM.
Okay, when you wake up in the morning, they find the better company. Now Wazobia FM, now you need. And as the day they waka they go, we no go leave you go away. Enjoyment jaburata, now so. For Wazobia 95.1, your Chukma station.
still there here for you on top your Chukma station. Minutes now, capacity hour of 1 o'clock. If you just they join us, you be miss a beat. But then make we join the conversation on to phone line. If you hear will be asked, and also you been here, Lagos boyfriend, be also brief us about some things. Make I also see WhatsApp on the load already. Good afternoon, Cheche. I just believe that any man who is intimidated by his wife's success has a self-esteem issues and needs to drop the egotistic tendency. Most men want women they can control and dominate, but not always forget that they have money today and may not have tomorrow. Then the importance of the wife having money will now become important. Then Udochukwu from Cyprus. Good afternoon, Cheche. Ibe Johnson from Akoka. When you see a woman trying to excel more than the husband, it's as if he, as a man, is not working hard enough, because some women usually trample on their husband because man is the head. But if the woman is excelling more than I don't understand. I want to make a draw him. So if the woman is excelling, like you said, more than the husband, okay, make her ask you a question. She tie her husband down. She hold her husband, her husband no work, make it no excel in your own business. I think you be the one Udochukwu they talk to. Because when you use the word like if she's excelling more than her husband, everybody gets a fair playing ground, right? As a matter of fact, now even women before no get that playground. You know why? Because before now society and some of the parents, they prefer to train their male child to go school, to further education, and leave the women, because they believe, say, okay, yes, the women go take care of home according to how it be they happen before now. But things don't change now. All right, so everybody they run this race now. So I believe, say, if you begin to think like this, it go come hard for you. Now, why when you now marry, you begin to hear things like, I don't want to make my wife work. I don't want to make my wife go outside. I don't want to make some people use it. I don't want to make my wife answer another person, sir. And I'm laughing. I'm like, really, 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 really. So maybe now you don't you could talk to. You need to understand the act that that control thing still there your head. And I'm wondering, when you know be a slave master. Good afternoon, Church. A wonderful topic we need to have in our time and age. The men are letting their ego ride them. Good afternoon, boss lady. 3 keys in success: money, power, and respect. A rich man will never, never, never stay under a man who is rich. But darling, I know some very wealthy, I'm talking very wealthy women, where they married, holding down a home. I can count more than 10, 20 of them where I know personally. So if you know, say you know a woman where because she touch money and then she will no longer understand what respect is, then there we have a problem. That woman get a problem. Then that woman need to explain where her problem they come from. So no use because it's happened to you. You not think every other woman is like that. Darling, they work like that. You also talk, say, I prefer to be on the top in the riches than my partner. And then if your partner now happens to get money more than you, what do? You fight your partner because she get money more than you, or you try to winch hunt her, make she not get money, or you try to begin to fight her, make she not get money. Darling, are you the bless? Sorry, are you the one giving this money? I'm glad we're having this kind of conversation. Vincent from Abraham Adesanya. All right, good afternoon, Cheche. Most of the women do not have regard and respect for men. They feel fully independent of their men and can do things only with their own way. No man tolerates lack of respect and regards. I don't have a problem with that. As long as a man, you also give respect. I believe you should get your own respect. But if you don't give respect as a man, then you don't deserve any respect. It's simple. Very simple. And you also mentioned something, say, man can hardly control a woman who is richer and more successful. Underline that word again. Why control? Why they use the word control? Do you realize that even your 3-year-old child, you cannot control that child? You teach, you guide. Why they use the word control? You see, we have a problem. Okay? Church, I'm listening. I have my notepad here. Lagos boyfriend making too much sense. He's such a young guy with so much wisdom. Thank you. Hi, Church, I miss you. Good afternoon. Woman one way they successful, man, they fear more. The reason is that they go one control you. Bright. Man. Cheche love. Good afternoon. Have not seen Destiny. Which Allah did they talk about? Cheche, read my own message now. They come. I greet you, Cheche. Teddy B from Norway. See, some men don't understand the difference between respect, love, or confidence and ego. He say all these qualities are traits of successful women, and decoding this is where the phrase come from. Behind every successful man is a woman. I want a successful woman because I have been with the opposite, and it's all about understanding that she is still a woman with all those traits. It's all about studying her, knowing how to partner with her in life. Cheche, I greet you. If I marry wife where they earn more than me, I will be the happiest man on earth. Not because of what she brings to the table, but for the future of the family to be achieved quickly. I will give her every respect she deserves, but I don't think such woman exists. But they do, darling. They really do. Cheche, good afternoon. I feel it's pride because I remember the first time I bought gas, my husband was like, don't try it again. Okay. So how about if maybe no, let me don't talk about that side. To them, every little mistake the lady makes, they associate it with the fact that because she earn more money than them, they feel the woman will not humble respect anymore. To me, there's nothing there. It's just ego thing. Everything belongs to them. As well, it's all about running the home well. As long as there's proper understanding between two of them. Good work, boss lady. If I'm a well done, they go on top the phone line. Make I see what I go fit take at least 3 calls before we move on top that break. Hello, Lagos. Good afternoon.
Hello, Cheche.
Hey, boo boo. Welcome on top the show.
Hey, good afternoon, my sister.
Good afternoon.
This mommy Sarah Sepa from Kurodu Bayeku.
Oh, shit.
My sister, men always like that. You have, you don't have, they want to be, just want to be the top all time. That's meant for you. They want to do all things. So if you want to assist them, they will refuse. So they want to do everything. They look at you, letting themselves down. You don't longer give them respect. That's just men.
Okay. Thank you so much. Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon, Cheche.
Good afternoon.
Also,
Yes.
my name is Naomi.
All right.
That was a men are always like this. Not all men know.
Okay.
In particular, me, I do different way. So if my wife get money, no be bad thing for me. Now my happiness.
You go flex, Abby.
Now my happiness. Now they support the family.
I go call the house,
So,
come borrow money.
any man who say his wife get money, so he win the best. Now you know for that one though.
All right. Thank you so much. Another caller, Lagos. Good afternoon.
Who's that friend?
Boss this whole place up now.
This.
Welcome.
Waiting for you.
Thank you.
Welcome, my darling. I love you.
I love you too, mama.
See, you see this matter where you bring, eh? The thing there, it happened to me, oh. When we first started, my husband did not want to give me money to put into my business, to buy that camera that I love. Up till now, I've not still bought the particular camera that I love. You understand? He wants to do everything. And it's getting me annoyed. You know, some of them, they feel that, especially these our data men, they want to do everything for you so that you don't have mouth to say anything. You understand? Let me tell you the reason why they are behaving like that. Because that's your question. They want to prove that they are the man. They are everything. Meanwhile, they cannot do everything on their own. Solidarity will say, can you finish it? They cannot finish everything. That is why we are there to support them. And you find out at the end of the day, some of the things you expect them to do, they will not be able to meet up. It is you that will still meet up with those things. You understand? It's just pride. They want to show that they are men, they are this, they are that. They want to do it on their own. You money for this, money for that. I will do it. You understand? But now he's learning. Thank God for Oga Madan's show.
Thank you,
My
mama.
husband is learning.
Thank you.
God
Thank you,
bless
mama. I'm going to go this break. Lagos, I they come back. Make I rush into this break now.
Yeah, shoot mouth and jobs, yeah.
them. 95.1 your Chukma station, Oga Madam Show. Now, women's corner birthdays. And we they ask you why you think say some men they fear women where they successful. Now, some men also see their partner's success as their own failure, right? If I understand with some of the messages where we they get here, they see I'm like, say, if my wife they succeed, I don't fail as a man. But both of you know their competition. Both of you, they're in different field. They progress in your own way. So if she begin they earn higher or they do something on her business, remember also when it comes to business too, women, they get that technical know-how. They just know how to do these things. To manage some women, no, because some women, they be finisher. They destroy businesses, gone safe. You understand? So if you know they're successful, and if your woman they more successful, does that make you make you dey beneath your wife? No, I think say then your relationship been get problem from the beginning. It been get problem if money be the thing where go come define them now. If money go determine respect in your relationship, then you get a crack before where you know. Let me also tell you, say before this time, based on some of the things where research work where I don't read, and some of the elderly people where I speak to, do you know that before now some of the statistics where the reason why men they die earlier, like in the 60s, in the 70s, because now them carry the whole load for their head. Because you believe say now you be the sole provider, and when you ask, they say, and I saw the Bible talk am, and I go also let people they know we get over 4,300 plus still counting religion in the world. Waiting your own religion talk, they different from waiting another person's religion talk. And I tell you, say yes, even in the olden days, yes, the men they go outside to bring food, and the women they cater for the family, right? But we've been there in a society whenever innovation don't come, the world they progress now, everybody don't begin their work. So when you go accept them, it's just like the same way where you accept cell phone, begin they use phone, abi. Now the same way we need to begin to understand some certain things. Say now, all hands on deck, everybody need to they work together now to make sure say the family is being taken care of. And you as a man also trying to block the woman. If anything can happen to your job tomorrow, or maybe your business no come move forward, or maybe something just happened, life they happen, does it mean the family no go feed because the sole provider no fee provide? Ask yourself questions sometimes now. So be now you go use your hand answer am. I beg chook mouth, I still they pick calls. Why una they fear women where they successful?
Hello.
Hey, welcome. Good afternoon.
I'm
Like I've been call you. I don't know whether you know they hear me. I'll be waiting happen.
No, okay, now you they call me.
Back
Sorry,
to the matter,
I
please.
think I later flash you.
No problem. Back to the matter. I'll call back.
Okay. This matter where they talk, now the type of husband why I get. I did sell. So he will want me to use my own money. If they annoy them, so they make business, they do business. Why? Because
why they annoy him?
If I ask them, they give me. So I know be somebody will go swim, join two hands, they watch. I don't always like to hustle. They like to hustle. So now I'm be my own.
All right. Thank you so much, Angoleka. I go try call you back later. Good afternoon.
Smith.
Good afternoon, sir.
Now the man that described you as a microphone, I don't come back. I don't think you'll laugh. But I'll tell you, some people say, they bad not chop your time. Leave that man alone. Yeah, because I told them the truth.
All right.
So thank you very much. You have spoken very well. One thing that made me to maybe in those days when women were not doing anything. Yes. But the Corey mentioned data. That's correct. Go back to data and find out how the women and without the man. The man is the one that is toiling, like you said, toiling, the woman that takes care of the house. Do you know that even these present women we are talking about that are full discuss, they still mention till today, till tomorrow, that now you be the head. Who are they calling the head? Me. So now me be the head. Then when I when I tie you to put under my table, you say I'll not be head again. So whom much is expected. So if these people we are talking about, the women are giving us that type of head, you know the head they're calling. They're not calling the head because of the
financial
that
something.
Where we say responsibility. Bring money, buy back. It remains money to buy their fingernail. That is so true. You are
man. So you become head when you they bring money, but if you don't get money, you not be head again.
No,
No.
One time I put on that bed, it because human right.
Thank you.
When money reach, now you come.
So they're gonna need to balance them. They need to balance them all round.
I want to balance it. Yeah, I'm not playing. I pass through the process.
Yes.
Community and community. That is where differences of what we're talking about comes in. Let me tell you the truth. If not, they now want to do it work. This thing where they talk, you go do you go submit to. You don't go carry timber from bush.
And now why I not come from that side there? Now why are they bomb me now?
What I'm trying to say, when I come now,
thank God.
We're the early.
God see am say you no go walk that time. I for don't be outlaw. Now why you bring me come here now? Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate your call. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, sir.
Good afternoon.
Now me call back. Wait me.
Hello?
Yeah, wait me. Now me call.
Your line the break.
Wait me.
No. Call me back and another. Hello, Lagos.
Bus lady.
Bus around, darling.
Busting everywhere.
We don't come. We show for this time.
Yes, sir. Now we mention corner we there.
Yes, sir.
This is Swagalicious grammar.
Welcome, Swagalicious grammar.
This is what they talk. Now, pride behind the women that somebody die in silence. They don't go want no person help them do something. Thank God I no marry that kind of husband.
As in,
most of them know they even those types they know they allow their wife do anything. They just sit down for her.
So if anything happen to their work, so all of us go starve.
One friend where such a thing do now. As the man die. That's why you kata for ground.
Why the man not go die? The man don't suffer.
No, so now.
Now
so you do everything by yourself. Why you not go die? Eh? Pride now you do them. That's why no one making wife progress. Not the wish be that one. Wish not the only one person they fly for night. This one, that wish they pass this one. Now wish now.
Swagalicious grammar. Thank you, Mama. He said, Mama, don't want me. He pass witchcraft. Lagos took mouth. Hey, boo boo. Welcome.
Good afternoon, someone on the line.
Good afternoon. Swagalicious grammar don't finish me.
You know what's happening? You know the men, na ego. That is their problem. They want to answer saying na them be the head, na them they provide, na them they do everything.
But they say make the head, make person no help the head. Who want drag the head with them?
I don't know. And they want to see the women, they want to enslave the women because it's only when they give them that they will take. They now make them, yes! And they now, you know, the wanted education from them will stop you and you will not work in this house. So, me, why did I go to
so me now, we like to travel. If I want buy ticket.
Thank God I didn't get that husband. Though. So, you know, say, this will go to Beijing. And women become emancipated and their eyes open and they can't see say all those things. My husband buy this from you. He said I should not work. Now slavery. Now eyes don't open and we don't turn the table upside down.
Table still there. Table not there. All of us.
No, come on.
They provide now.
We are not because if you are not doing it, your children are seeing you are not doing anything for them.
And they learn from you. They go learn from you too.
From you. God bless you.
Thank you. Chook mouth. Lagos is still there here. Hello, caller.
Hello, Cheche.
Yes, boss. Welcome.
Well, long time I've been trying your number.
No be smarting with a heart like fire here.
Julius from Ikorodu.
Welcome. Julius from Ikorodu. Julius, my friend. Been a while.
No, I don't try your number, man. I know they enter always. And most of the time, they're busy.
But Julius, you get my personal number now.
No, my phone. I lost that.
Aish. Oh, no worry. We'll go relate better. Chook mouth now.
Okay, back to the matter. You don't already finish them. If anybody thinks maybe if the wife is mother him and it become intimidation or saying don't fair. Now they say I can talk. That marriage don't get cracked from the beginning. Because to me, if my wife the mother me, I will be the happiest person. It depends on how you understand yourself and how you plan how the family will be. So I do not see that one as any issue. No one no be issue at all. Now make family feed well, make things they go well. I don't see many women around me where we say now then they carry family, you no go know. They will just, in fact, now them they do everything. But if you want to do it, they will say go and meet my husband. If they are in the house, their husband will be the one that will contract everything. They will not even
but it really not consign anybody who they bring the money. You not consign anybody outside.
Yes.
Outside are not supposed to even know how the money they come in, they go.
Yes. Now that outside that they bring problem. So now the people supposed to understand themselves and not listening to waiting people they talk outside or this or that.
All right.
So, I see 'em.
Thank you so much, sir. But I can't understand, say, most men, they like be friends with these women where they're successful. But when you reach to settle down, it become a problem. They don't want to settle down with them. They go now go below, they go lesser to go select. They go select down where be said they go feed they tell anything where they want tell them. Why so? But the women now go come they aspire go that way. The one way home, now they want pursue. But I believe say if everybody feel cater for, take care of things, balance them together, because I see this marriage or partner it's a contract, it's a partnership. So you not come to oppress another person or try to make another person feel lesser. Why not we balance and complement each other? But we see messages where people they send in Cheche. Somebody they tell me for WhatsApp, say I'm feeling sad and I'm counting the time. Hopefully you won't run away. Hopefully our time, but you know how our time before here. Superstar DJ, I get problem with this. Please. Lagos, make I read WhatsApp and somebody say I am Ibrahimo from VI. Cheche, do you know I end up not marrying this young Abuja landlady? All the name of fear. When I left Lagos to Abuja, she run into me in a unisex salon. After having a heartbreak from a guy, Cheche, she asked me for a date after 3 months. Then we got married. My fear was that she might end up divorcing me after having children. Cheche, she's still living her Billy well. She got married to since 2011. All right. Hi, Cheche. I would like to speak senses into some women who always feel men are created to always spend on women often. Just leave all those ones. No real man who would not want his woman to also be a contributor in anything way they do. Thank God I established wife, and now that I'm not around, she handles most of the things back home, and later she tells me how the things they go. Fred from Hong Kong. Good afternoon, Cheche. Auntie, me, I have an uncle where in wife making money more than him, but because her husband was very supportive, she built house in their name and surprised him on one of the birthdays. The man was crying out for joy. Cheche, is all about understanding. When I got married, I had nothing I was relying on my husband while I was still struggling to get a job. Eventually the tables turned. I sponsored him for additional certificate, and now we are both okay. It takes a humble man indeed to handle a buoyant woman. Okay, there is nothing bad when your wife is more successful than a husband. For example, my uncle is a millionaire today because of his wife. She opened hospital because she's a nurse. My uncle did PhD because his wife did first and encouraged him to do. They opened company in Nigeria because his wife initiated it. They opened TV network and now initiated every other thing. My name is Lucky from the UK. Good afternoon, Cheche. Your show is such a mind-blowing one. Thank you. Good afternoon, Cheche. See, to me, I don't see anything there wrong with my wife any more than me. Dima also the talk. My sister, according to the Bible. Thank you so much. I know go through your Bible, because like I mentioned, we get up to 4,300 religions in the world. So when you tell me about Bible, tell me what Ayelala also talk. Tell me what in the other religions also talk. Okay? Thank you. We move. Cheche, good afternoon. Please, no one does not want his wife to be successful. Believe me, the issue is most of the successful women in marriage, more than the husband, are disrespectful because of. And how did you do your statistics to find out say most of the success? So as I did like this now, they success. If I marry now, I go disrespect my husband. Is that so? Oh, really? Oh, Diego. Cheche, this happened to one of my relatives. After marriage, her husband don't allow her to go out to work again, neither support her business. At the end of the day, her husband said there is no wife in their family that rise above the men. There we go. And moving forward, I don't understand what's in there happen for here, but I don't know. I know if you read messages where they come from Facebook, digital, and we'll get plenty of them. Madam. Good afternoon, Cheche. For me, and the facts be say 50% of them lack manners. They go always put their ego. And then trust me, if your wife they disrespect you, you as a husband, check yourself. Maybe you don't they disrespect her, they come. I tell you, I kid you not. Check them. If your wife begin get money, like let me use the word begin, because let's assume she be no get money more than you, then she later can't get money pass you, and she begin to misbehave anyhow. Check where una they come from. She learn from the best. Somebody teach her. An expert teacher, man. That expert now you. Cheche, please, I need your number. We have a lot to discuss. My dear, no be smarting. Send me DM Cheche Smith Nation on Instagram. Cheche, thank you. They have started with Bible. I tell them when they quote Bible, when they quote Ayala, give me too, because I need to understand different books. I'm studying different religion now. How many are you studying now? They're about 4,000 something. Miss me with that. I believe in God Almighty, but please don't bring them to play here, because if you want bring them, then you bring the rest 4,300. Bring all of them. Okay. Thank you. Hi, Cheche. How are you? I'm very well. Thank you so much. My time just the fly they go. Somebody talk for Facebook. King Jack, London boy said, because if you get married to a successful woman, it will take you under granted. She will take you for granted. She will not respect you, especially if you're poor, and will eventually treat you bad. That's why most of them fear successful women. So they don't want progress. So these men, they don't want progress. They don't want to make anybody progress around them. And you think it's far from witchcraft, just like a grandma swagalicious grandma talk. You think it's far? It's not far from it now. You know they see her. You know they see the other see they go, because the woman. Oh, Cheche, please do live Instagram. I beg. I will need your number, please. Don't worry. I'm gonna give you my number. Lagos, I really want to continue this conversation, but I promise you we'll have a part 2. And then I go like to go on the street of Lagos. Digital, I know so now they hear me. We go like to take this out to Lagos Street, to ask what really be the reason. Digital, I know you hear me. What be the reason why men they fear successful women? So that go be our part 2. And then when we come, we go do it in dialogue and more. Hi, Church, I need your private number. Hey, me private number from Poland, from Portugal, from different parts of the world. Check me out. Lagos, thank you for everybody. We'll check me out for here. And we go continue this conversation maybe sometime in 2 weeks' time when Digital agrees finally, because we'll take them way outside the street to know why una they fear. But I believe say this my younger generation, the Sorosuke generation, know they fear. They know they fear really. They won't make the girl they succeed, maybe they succeed, because we like, we like balance things. We like, like, hey babe, can you just transfer like 2 million to me now? Aye, for who they don't run tickets for. Yeah. This my digital guy don't get sense in the shot. Yeah. Because you love all these things. Before, now why did they buy you boxers? Because they know they work. Now the small one where they save, they go use buy you boxers. Now they are working. Now women they buy. When they take you on a PJ kind of trip, you don't enjoy life. You go there, you go die young, because you don't want to make person work happy. PS5, bro. Valentine is coming. Now, how they walk, I go buy you better gift. Lagos, time for you to feel with money on top of the show. And of course, now, time for Kuda Microfinance Bank. And yes, I go tell you more, because you self get to be part of waiting to happen for Kuda time. Now, for so many